It's Darren. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Just want to go over the trade I did here on Altria. So Altria own is a dividend stock, but also will trade any of these stocks when they give a swing or give me an indication based on my set of indicators I've got here. If you're interested in these indicators and setups I use, I do have a course on it, but that is another matter. So here we see on the 30-minute, we have a crossover at the top here of my oscillators. So I would not be entering any trades in any of this range up here. I might be trading these pullbacks, but I didn't. This was the trade I placed, and I took half the position out, and I kept half on for my dividend payment. And the spike here was beautiful. It came right down, almost touched my moving average, and it pulled straight back. So I entered the position. I thought it would go up again because the move was far too strong, too quick. I came up and it filled the gap, but I came in and I was straight out on that one as well. It looks even better on the 15-minute, and you'll see the reasons why I'd enter trades on these stocks. So Altria, I actually like the company. I know it's it's tobacco based, and generally one of those ones called sin stocks, isn't it? But I'm not fussed on that. So this move was it was going to roll over at some stage. We have this move up here. It's highly likely we're going to see some pressure on it. Enter the consolidation area at the top. So it says news based, but really the stock's been waiting for this move for a few days. So they say it's news based, but it was these things always seem to be coincidental, and they set up in that way on the technicals. So that's why I look at the technicals very closely. I also look at the fundamentals, which we're just going to take a look at Guru Focus here. So the Altman Z's, yeah, it's safe enough. Financial strength is there. Not ideal, but we also got the undervalued sign here. I can't get into Simply Wall Street today. For some reason, my login's not working. The website's down. I don't know what's going on there. Simply Wall Street sorted out. Profitability rank is 8 out of 10. So yeah, it's a nice company, making a nice bit of money. It's got some new products in the offing. And its products are making money. That's the main thing. So it doesn't really matter what the industry is, especially if you're going to make some money on a swing trade like that. So this was just in and out, just over 5% I think I made on that trade. Happy days. You took getting 7% in your dividend yield, but I made 5% in a day. I'm going to take that every time, and I've still got half a position left on from here and other positions on. So it's just another way to boost my yield, basically, a simple trade. Worst case scenario, if I was in this trade and it went down further, I'd take another position. And if it didn't come up to my original, I'm still in a stock that's got a good product line, a company I like, and is making money, and pays a good dividend. What's the downside? If you cover yourself like that, it's the other trades that make where you haven't got the dividend is where you've got to be a bit more careful. You've got to be a bit more, serious about the way you trade those, because you don't have that backup of a company like in a dividend. I said it's so important. So it's so important to actually like the companies that you're trading in, and that's why my core is really. I have to like the company. What's the point investing in something you want to hold for the future potentially, or potentially be in a stock you'll be holding in the future if you don't like it? I don't understand why people do that. And take these pump and dump stocks. If you're going to get into the pump and dumps, like GameStop and all that stuff, you run the risk, unless you love GameStop as a company that's facing a lot of, uphill battles. Just from a logic point of view, you put a lot of money into that on the hope that it goes up, just so you can make money out of it. Companies like Altria, okay, it might not be the best, company to own from a moral perspective, but at the end of the day, it's a solid business, and it's modifying its product line to stay up with the times. So I like it as a business. Why wouldn't you want to invest in that? If you like it, everyone's different. If you like it, put your money in it, but don't be upset if it comes down further. This here on the oscillators is telling me that this is still overbought, right? This is a short pullback. It's likely to move up a bit. This oscillator will probably come up and it'll head back down again for a little bit. Maybe come down further here to sort of more of a fair value around the 44, 42 mark. Does it matter if you're holding that stock? This is a nice dividend stock as well. So it's just one of those things I don't understand some people's investing. I hope you understand from looking at my videos, look at my past videos, or if you just want to stay up with the daily ones, please like if you do get any value out of this, the video. And subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. I'm going to do these few videos for the next month or so, I think, see whether anyone's interested in the stock side of it and the way I invest. Because this is basically going to be my pension, all my dividends and my trading, my day trading and swing trading is going to be my pension money. So that's how I'm going to pay for my retirement. I already get an income from my dividends that is. I just reinvest those, and then I swing trade to make that extra money as well. So that's my plan. I don't have massive pension built up, so I'm subsidising it with my trading. So that's the way I trade. I hope you got some value out of it. The Altria, I just want to look at the dividend history just so you get some idea. Guru Focus is a great website. I'm not affiliated to any of these sites, by the way. So we've got a nice dividend history there going back. Solid increase in dividends. Happy days, and it's been like that. It goes back a long time. So it's a solid company with solid dividends. I like it. I buy it, sell it, and I keep it. So that's why I get into this stock, and that's why I swing trade as well as trade for my dividends. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.